Hello everybody, I'm Kabir Ahmed from Software People, and today I want to highlight a tool that is AutoHotkey and the way I use it. So basically let's see what it does. It's basically a scripting tool that automate almost anything by sending keystroke and mouse click, and it can create hotkeys for keyboard, any key, and also it creates a hot string. That's mean if you type certain combination of key, the required specified action will be performed that you define in your script. So if I go to the detail feature that this tool has, I found that almost every features that I need to automate are there. Like if we need to access file or directory or disk management or Windows management or process management, like if I want to identify a active window title or process and I didn't hide a icon in the toolbar or the taskbar, then I can do with this tool. And basically you will find this detailed feature list in the website, that is www.autohotkey.com. And I like this tool because basically first of all it's free and it has a good script recording tool. That means that if I perform press the record button and perform some action, it will generate the script, and basically the script helps me to understand the syntax of AutoHotkey, that how it creates the script. And the most important, that every script you can compile and create a small exe file. That means whatever the script you are creating, it can be portable and it doesn't need to have AutoHotkey installed on a different machine. And it has a very comprehensive help file with a proper example that helps me to understand the scripts and create many of things. So let's see how I use these things in daily life. Basically I love shortcut. So when I press F1, I want to launch a notepad, or if I press Ctrl L, then I want to log into Gmail or Yahoo account. Basically, I maintained these things with the following script. I give some example code that it's basically sends the keystroke that you are given in the scripts. Basically, I try to identify the URL and then try to send the login name and passwords. Basically, that is the thing that does. So whenever it's Gmail and I press Ctrl L, then it sends the password and login name for Gmail. And whenever it is Yahoo, then it will send Yahoo. Basically, it helps me to log in our system that I need to log in daily to identify and verify the things we are developing. And these are the hot strings. Basically, what it does, whenever I create some activities, do some activities, I need to enter some character that this is creating by me and which date and which time I am creating these things. So instead of writing all those things daily, I just make a script that if I press /ds, then it will automatically enter the my name and date and time. It inputted into the text field. And basically there are more examples that what we are writing, what I create, that if I need to enter a date into dot format, just I press /dt dot, then it will enter the current date with the dot, and if I press / at the end, then it will enter the date into the system. And let's see, it's the Open VSTS from item of VTB. I am working in a Scrum team, distributed Scrum team. So instead of a physical task board, we have a virtual task board, online task board. And every time I need to verify things or need to see the acceptance criteria, I need to copy the team system ID, then activate the team system and find the work item ID, paste and find the item. So these are the procedure I execute daily. That copy ID by double clicking or selecting and then activating and then paste the ID into the team system. And instead of this, I automate these things, and now with the script I just do double click on the team system ID. So what it does, basically all the things that I need to do every day. And it's the, okay, time is up, it's the last thing, counter string. It's basically when we verify a text field, we need to enter the text limit, certain character. So how I used to do this, that I type the character, random character in a word and get the numbers and paste into the text field and verify. After that, I found a better way, that tool called Partly, produced by James Beck, that produces a counter string. That is that the number denotes the number of the character on its right. Like if it's 10, the x of besides the 10 identifies the total number of the string. So I just automate the function written in the Perl claim, that is counter string, in the hotkey. So now what I do, I just focus into a text field and press slash certain number 200 or something and the delimiter, and it automatically pastes the script into that field. And basically the user forum helps me to identify, to get a script that based on the regular expression. And that is the things I want to show you, and that's all.
We have some techie testers, don't we? Right? Cool. All right, questions?
Jilami from Nilava Technologies. Just a small question for Kabir. Does it support? Does it work for both desktop application and web-based application?
It's basically sends your keystroke and mouse click event, so it doesn't depend on whether it's web-based or desktop-based. It's basically perform its action on the active window. Whatever the window is on top, that will perform the action.
Another follow-up question: is there any issue related to monitor resolution?
Sorry,
suppose you have one auto hotkey is working for certain monitor resolution and it is not working for other resolution.
Yeah, basically if you send the keystroke a mouse click event, then it depends on the coordinates, and if you change the resolution, then definitely the point goes to different field. But I have a workaround for this. Basically, I try to go by pressing keyboards, using keyboards. So if I need to focus a field, I use tab instead of click, so that resolution doesn't hamper my automation. Thank you. So any other question, please?
I am Partha from CSS Software. Is it feasible for Linux or Windows?
No, it's a Windows utility, so you cannot use it in Linux.
I had actually two questions. Actually, as one of my questions is only available for Windows, and another question is like, can I use AutoHotkey for Windows, obviously, to run in cell, go into the minimize mode, and get my boss's password?
No. So I think that's all. What is there?
Techie people around, right?
Hello.
Tester, ask them some techie questions.
আমি সিমন জিএসএ থেকে এসেছি। আমার প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে অটোহট কি আপনার এই স্ক্রিপ্টগুলি কোথায় স্টোর করে, মানে হ্যাকার কি কোনোভাবে আমার পিসি থেকে পাসওয়ার্ড বা ইউজার নিয়ে নিতে পারে?
বেসিক্যালি এটা আপনি যেখানে রাখবেন, আর আপনি যদি কম্পাইল করে রাখেন উইথ নো ডিকম্পাইল,
ইজ ইট সেম যে আমি আমার ইউজার নেম পাসওয়ার্ড গুলো ওখানে রাখলাম, কেউ নিতে পারবে না?
এটা এনশিওর করবে আপনি কোন ধরনের সিকিউরিটি রাখতে চাচ্ছেন। কারণ আমি যেটা রাখতেছি, আমি যদি আমার পেন ড্রাইভে রাখি, ডেফিনেটলি এটা একটা টেক্সট ফাইল উইথ .hk এক্সটেনশন। সো আপনি যদি আপনার পেন ড্রাইভ আর একজনকে দিয়ে দেন, স্ক্রিপ্ট দেখে সে অবভিয়াসলি পারবে। বাট আপনি যদি কম্পাইল করে exe কম্পাইল করে নেন উইথ নো ডিকম্পাইল অপশন, then I think there is a bit of protection. Thank you. Yep.
যেটা হচ্ছে আমি এটা ইউজ করার চেষ্টা করেছি, এটার ব্যাপারে আমি একটা জাভা প্রোগ্রামের জন্য যেটা আমি অটোমেশন করা ট্রাই করেছিলাম, সেটার ক্ষেত্রে দেখা যাচ্ছে যে এটা জেভিয়ারটাকে ধরে রাখে। তো এটার কোনো মানে ড্রব্যাক আছে কি, যে এইসব কোন কোন প্ল্যাটফর্মকে আমি ইউজ করতে পারবো না?
আমি তো আর কি যতটুকু ইউজ করেছি আমার পারপোজে কোনো প্রবলেম পাইনি। সো আপনারটা যদি হয় বেটার আমরা পরে দেখতে পারি যে কি অপশন। So thank you all.
Thank you, Kabir. Nice presentation.